Hi everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enroll your test user into your test course. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to access the course that I've created called Learning and Development. And the next thing I'm going to want to do is head on to enrollment methods, which can be found on the left-hand navigation panel within a course. And once I enter the enrollment methods, I can see there's a few options already for me over here. I can choose some other methods, and I am able to add more than one method of enrollment to a particular course. For this example, I just want to manually enroll my test user. So what I'll do is I'll select the person icon over here that says enroll users. I'll be taken to a page where I can see all the manual enrollments that I've already done and all the users that um, aren't enrolled yet into the specific course. What I'll do is I'll select my test user and I can see that they are assigned the learner role and some other details over here. And I'll just select add. And now that I've done that, this user has been enrolled into the course manually. If I go back to the left-hand navigation panel and I select the enrolled users option over here, I can see all the enrolled users into my course along with some of their details too.